nails. We decorated it. I'll show you. Guys, we're here. We wait in line so long for customs. It was like an hour and a half wait. Yeah, it's like we landed at like 12:30 and it's almost 2:30. And we're gonna head to the hotel and then we're gonna eat at a convenience store because we're hungry. See you guys at the hotel or probably convenience store. Guys, guess where we are? We're literally in Japan, Tokyo, and there's like vending machines everywhere. And it's currently 3 a.m. We're walking to Lawson's because we're so hungry. So we're gonna do a convenience store, Japanese convenience store mukbang. So far, the weather is not as bad as Taiwan. It's still a little hot, but not as bad. It's not that hot. Yeah, it's not as humid. Lawson's. That's what they have. I've been to Japan before, but like, oh, let me just eat. Yeah, that's what they have. They have a lot of stuff. I love Japanese snacks. They have onigiris, they have pasta, drinks, more like yogurts and baked goods, and sandwiches, the fruit sandwiches. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love Japanese snacks, guys. This is my favorite, and this too. I'm so excited. Guys, these are my favorite chips. These ones. I love how they have smaller versions because in America it's all big, so I can't portion control, so I always eat like all of it. Frozen food. Creme brulee looks so good. I love creme brulee. And then there's this ice cream that I've tried in Japan, this matcha creme brulee ice cream from Haagen-Dazs. It's so good, so I'm gonna try to find it later. It's their ramen. See, they don't have it. It's so sad. But I will find it. This is their candy. I love candy. Okay, this is what we got. We got shrimp rice snack, this matcha cake, this chicken karaage sandwich, these fruit jellies, salmon hand roll, onigiri. We also got ramen and this jelly. This is the ramen that we got. So we're making it right now. I'm making the ramen right now. Also, we can't eat inside the store, so we're gonna eat outside. We have to work out how to use the microwave. They're like so done with us. Okay, Japan living in 2050. We're gonna drink water now. We honestly don't even know what we're doing. But yeah, okay. We're gonna try this and then catch y'all later. Hey guys, so I don't know why that Lawson's didn't have a place to eat, but we went back to our hotel lobby. So we're just in this like dining area. So yeah, let's get a thumbnail. Hold up. And pull up the news. Like, okay. It tastes like real weird. It's like a little bitter too. Yeah, we wish it was colder. Chicken karaage sandwich. Let me try it. This is good. That's pretty good. This is good. Okay, try the ramen. I don't really know the flavor. It kind of tastes like udon, kind of. That's good too. We have these fish cakes. I love these. Oh shit. Maybe I ruined the hand roll. Hold on, y'all. Okay, whatever. Salmon hand roll. This shit's pretty good. Good. Okay. Onigiri. Not bad. That's still pretty good though. I think these two taste the same. Okay, I'm gonna try these. Sugar chips. Okay. Honestly, I can't really taste them because I've been eating so much other savory things. But it's not bad. For dessert, so we're having the fruit jelly. There's grape, peach, and shine muscat. So muscat. There's not that many in here. There's like 2 of every color basically. These are like the viral fruit jellies. Not bad. Yeah, it's actually like jelly. And the coating, there's like sugar on the outside. Not bad. That is the matcha one. I'm so sorry. This is the last one, so it must be that. It's good. Let's see. This matcha cake. I love matcha. It's good. Have your birthday. Good.
Wow. It's very matcha heavy.
You know Japan.
I need more cream.
I love matcha, so it was good. No wonder it was the last one. We're gonna finish this. It's like 4 a.m. and then we're gonna sleep. And we have a whole day ahead of us in Japan. Bye-bye. Okay, hi guys. We're currently going to the Sensoji temple and going to a night market near there. We bought curry bread from a place called Tui's. There's the outfit. Okay, see y'all there. Okay, we're walking to find that viral matcha ice cream with the stringy one, and after we're gonna go to the temple. Guys, look, it looks so cool. This is what they have inside it. I thought it was just ice cream, but they have like, I think red bean and like some paste. Yeah, we're gonna try it. It's good. Okay, we're gonna try it now. The matcha part is like a stringy paste. It's good matcha. I love matcha. And then I'm gonna try the ice cream. It comes with gold leaf on top. It's good. This was like $8-9 because you know the yen is down right now. I'll take a bite of the cone. Oh. There's also like a cake like texture inside it too. Just like vanilla cake and red bean. We're gonna enjoy this and then I'll see you guys at the temple. Guys, we're here at the temple. So pretty, so we're gonna walk around and take some pictures. But it's so nice. I really do like Japan. And the weather is really nice right now. It's like cloudy, not sunny. And it's not too hot and not too cold. And there's like some wind. Wow. I think we're gonna do over there is like a fortune shaking thing. So we're gonna try it. Okay, we're gonna do it. Oh guys, we got the number 6. So, okay, ready? I'll open 6. Let's see. Okay, this is what we got. Good fortune in future. Yay! Okay, so right now we're heading to the Ameyoko night market. Yeah, because we haven't eaten anything yet really. Only that curry bread and ice cream, so we're gonna go check out for some food stalls. But yeah. Hey, this is our outfit. It's cute. Guys, look how pretty. Okay, we're here at like the shopping district night market area. Okay, so we got a strawberry mochi from this place at the night market, so we're gonna try it. Good. Strawberry's fresh. It's cold. I don't really like red bean that much, but it's tolerable. It's pretty good if I eat with like other food. My lips are like, but yeah, we're gonna walk around and find more food. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we're just walking around finding more food. Okay, so now we're at this Japanese barbecue grill place. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Okay, we're eating it up. We're gonna try it now. But we're gonna finish this and then walk around more. Okay, we're here at this famous alleyway. It's really nice. We're in Shinjuku now. We're gonna take pictures. Look how nice it is. It looks so nice, y'all. Okay, well, now we're in this area. We're gonna eat sushi, actually. Okay, right now we're walking. Okay, we're at this place now. We're eating sushi. Order it by tapping on the screen what you want, and it comes to you like express shipping. Yeah, so excited. Okay, we're gonna try it now. So we're gonna try the basil pesto. A mini salmon one. Really good. I'm about to eat sushi every day, bro. Okay, we're gonna order more. Okay, we're taking a thumbnail. This is how much we're eating so far. Yeah! Guys, if you come here, this is my favorite. It's so good. Here's Ichiran. There's a line for it. Okay, right now we're in this like arcade place. Okay, right now we're trying this place, Coconut. It's coconut water, and there's a bunch of photo booths at this floor, so we're gonna take some photo pictures. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I love coconut water. Guys, we decorated it. I'll show you guys. We're gonna choose two and print it out now. You're doing it. Can you choose what background you want? Okay, we did them. We have to go pick them up, so yeah. Hi guys, it's currently midnight and we're spending our night out in Shinjuku. Here's the fit. But yeah, it's kind of like sprinkling, so hopefully it doesn't get worse. Okay, so it's currently like almost 1 a.m. and we're eating maze soba right now, which is one of my favorite Japanese food, and you can order from this vending machine. And this place closes at 8 a.m. Okay, so we got this one, and it comes with, it's like this one, or this one. So excited. Guys, look, it looks so good. Love maze soba. So good. I just add a little vinegar because I really like vinegar. It's good. It's a bit salty, but it's still good. It tastes like, it has like fish powder, pork in it. Pork belly. Hey, good night, y'all.